So, namaste and fist pump, and welcome to the video. I've had to do a bit of a voiceover here, so that's why it's not syncing up because my microphone just wasn't recording. And anyway, so what we're going to do is this is the belt squat machine as a jammer arm. Here it is lying down on the floor, and you can see all its components. This is all explanation of this is all in a previous video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Really well appreciated. So anyway, got the shackle thing that I've stolen from a landmine. I've drilled a 16 mil hole in it, and I've got these 16 mil pins that will just lock it onto your rig or your rack or whatever you got. Um, as you can see there, it has a little bit of play, probably needs a couple of washers in there, but that's all something you can do after the fact. Once you've got this all kind of drilled into place, and you could probably use a different system for mounting onto the rack, but this is just what I used. This thing is called a strip. It's actually a copy of a Rogue thing, but it's from Mirfit. They're about 40-ish pounds, and I've put these two silver things, which are just barbell sleeves. So I've drilled a 1 inch hole through one of the holes there, just widen the hole out, and then put this 1 inch bit of metal rod, and then I've put this silver thing on. And as you can see there, that's the previous hole that I drilled, but I just drilled that in the wrong place, or a hole that I've actually widened with like a metal widener thing. And there I'm just blabbering on about how I've screwed it onto place. And all these things I bought off Mirfit, and this is a shackle. I have a different way of pinning this on now from when this original video was taken. So here is mounted onto my yoke. I'm putting the pin in one side, and I've got a spotter arm there to hold it into place. And I'm just putting the pin in, so I'm going to do the right side first, just get it into place, do a few presses overhead, very fancy. The thing slides down in between the spotter arms and just rests on there, and then just move the pin to the other side to get the other side used. And this is just one option that you can use this belt squat design for, or use it as a jammer arm. And here I've got it mounted onto my rig. I've used these two clips to create a little bit of space because, like I was saying before, I need a couple of washers up there to keep it perfectly in place. And here's just a quick demo. And yes, this is only using one side, so you'd have to move the bench to the other side and move the pin if you want to get both sides, or you can make two spotter
So set
arms.
up for deadlifts, we've got this shackle thing, which is also available from Mirfit, and this is just a handle with a bit of rotation on it.
So here we are set up for some deadlift variations, kind of like a wide stance sumo. Move my legs in there for some stiff leg deadlifts. Should probably be a little bit closer to the machine, take a little bit of strain off my lower back, but hey ho, it's just a demo. And here we are set up with a belt squat. So this is a little wooden thing that I made just to brace it. So you start from this top position, and I'm standing on little bean bags because my ankle range of motion is horrendous due to genetic bone deficiency, extra bone in my ankle, long story. Um, and then you can use a spotter arm as a little handle to hold on to, and then you just grab that wee handle and put it underneath, and then that holds it in place. And that's my video. I've got a part 3 of this video coming out as well, so don't forget to hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.